about your project?
We developed the method to use 3D point clouds for object detection and anomaly detection for different use cases possibly. And the idea was born that we decided to use drones as a flexible sensor.
And then the project was basically about the program that interprets the data automatically and then says, okay, here's a problem, here's some deviation.
How do you use it specifically?
We use it specifically in the mine. This is where the first use case were born, basically, for us. And the first step was to be able to detect alignment of belt conveyor lines, and in specific some segments which are misaligned and are a danger for the rubber belt or the carrying belt, and therefore also a danger for the mining process in general.
What is the benefit of AI in your project?
For this particular solution, I think it's a necessity. If you want to automate this kind of monitoring using drones that make photographs, you need AI, because otherwise you would have to think yourself of a logic that says in every image you can possibly take, this pixel is part of what I want to find, this object of the conveyor belt, and this pixel is not. And I think writing such a program is basically impossible. That's like why this computer vision stuff has developed in the first place.
Do you have to be a geek to join the AI program?
No, not really, to be honest. I'm really fascinated and interested in it, but as I said, through Leonard we got the possibilities to get access to these geeks, in quotations, but I'm really impressed what it's possible to be done already, which is great, and quite a lot. But I have other strengths, to be honest.
Enjoying programming or stuff like this is geeky in itself, then yeah, definitely you need to be this, but I don't think so. I think it feels like it changes, but it's maybe because of the ambience here.
Any musical advice for coding?
Oh, this changes. There has to be no lyrics, nothing that makes you listen to to the lyrics.
I like it silent, to be honest. I like it silently, because I can concentrate much better if it's silent. I have headphones for like noise cancelling even, so no music for me.